we're making our own fragrance.
Our adventure today is at Mix Candle Co. It's a candle and perfume making lab in Pittsburgh with 2 locations, and we went in with a specific theme in mind.
So they've told us to pick out a fragrance that we like from all of these notes, and we're going to make our own fragrance based on what we think of each other. So I'm gonna make a fragrance for Barkha, and I'm gonna pick out notes that she represents to me, and she's gonna do the same for me.
We're going through their large selection of pre-made concoctions first.
So I'm smelling a bunch of them, and I've collected the ones I like so far. We've got Gilded Amber and Mahogany. We've got Dark Oak and Rainstorm. This kind of like a blue freshy scent. And this is Matcha Honey. It has a citrusy but honey background. So I really like this one. I found the one. It's this right here, Plum and Night Jasmine. This one is beautiful. I think mixed with some freshness, it's gonna be a hit. It has that floral, narcotic jasmine with some plum sweetness and depth. Perfection.
We picked a few of our favorites from their offerings of notes and selected a few combinations for the staff to mix for us on testers, and we had to pick which one was the best.
Do you like that one? Which one is that? I think I'm gonna go with this one.
This one?
Yeah. Don't let her know.
Don't worry, it's a secret.
Then came the fun part. We had to actually mix our formulas for our fragrances. So we took the notes that we had selected earlier for our final formulation and mixed them in our own specific ratios. So I had tested a ratio that I really liked earlier for the fragrance final result I wanted, and I just followed that same ratio to make 17 milliliters worth of my fragrance.
I have my ratio.
All there was left to do was select our bottles, smell some candles, and head our way home with our goodies.
We've secured our fragrances. We're gonna go home and let you know what we think.
All right, we made it home. We have our goodies. We're doing the smell test. So this is the fragrance I made for Barkha. It is in this clear glass bottle with a dark pink brown sticker at the front. Very simple, sleek bottle with a nice black atomizer. This is plastic, but the atomizer is really great. And this is a 17 milliliter presentation for both of these. The cost for them was $35 per bottle. So those are pretty much niche fragrance prices, but that comes with the experience of getting to make your own fragrance. So I think it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. And the ambiance in the place was really nice, right?
Yeah, it was super fun.
Were
and
helpful.
They were so nice.
Yeah.
The people that were working there, they were super knowledgeable too.
Exactly. She did help us out, like make good combinations. But at the end, I decided to go with plum and jasmine and matcha and honey for Barkha's fragrance. So we got to smell a bunch of scents and picked 2 of our favorite ones and mixed them in their own unique concentrations to come up with the final fragrance.
Yeah.
So those are the 2 that I picked, and here's what I made for you. So let me know what you think.
So it's called Smeags, and the lore behind this is I actually love Smeagol from Lord of the Rings. I think he's the most authentic character. So my precious. And so let's see if it's authentic.
Yep. Let's see if it's authentic. That's a good one.
This smells so nice.
Yeah?
It smells just like gall. I'm kidding.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
It's
like a very dark feminine energy like type of scent. Very sophisticated. You can definitely wear this to like an interview or just like if you're going to a nice dinner or a date. Oh, I really like the jasmine.
Let's
I will
go.
Say that. I'll definitely. This is a 10 out of 10. I love this.
Aw, thank you.
No, this is so good. I love it. Actually.
Can I smell it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's
How much oil do you think this has?
So these are eau de parfum concentrations, so it's 20% oil. But it does have a nice oil sheen.
Yes,
and
I
her
love
fragrance,
it.
I really like. It has a nice balance of freshness, sweetness, and floral. and that plum is a unique fruit. So I really liked it.
I love it actually.
I think it suits you.
This is so perfect. And yeah, this does suit me actually. This is like perfect for me.
Let's go.
Thank you. Now, this is his. It's also pretty similar. It just has a black label on it. And I named it Saunders.
Sonder is it's an album by Brent Faiyaz that we talked about one of the first times we met. It's also one of my favorite concepts, like the meaning of Sonder, that everyone that you ever meet has their own lives and feelings, but you never think about that.
Yeah.
So that's why she named it, because she knows I like that.
And this just reminds me of him.
Atomizer test. Nice mist. Wide mist. Let's see what you got. Whew. Okay, so that's really good. I get this creamy but fresh white floral, and then I get a woody backbone. I know what you used in this. You used osmanthus, and you used, what was the wood you used?
It's mahogany.
Mahogany.
Gilded mahogany. I just thought those two combinations were so good, and they just like blended so well together. And it just reminded me of him.
Yeah.
And so I just thought it was perfect. And I
think
love
it suits me.
And I love osmanthus. It's one of my most like favorite scents too, for floral scents.
Right. She does have this body lotion from L'Occitan Provence. It's a niche French house.
L'Occitane.
Well, it's actually not a niche house. They make other products like skincare, body care products.
They make a lot of stuff.
But they do make a lot of fragrances too. Eau de Beau is a really famous one from them, and they have this really nice osmanthus scent. And that's what this reminds me of.
Yeah, it's so good, and I love it. And I feel like it fits him perfectly because he wanted like a summer scent, and it's not too beachy or like anything like that.
It's
perfect.
not. No,
it's like perfect.
It's not too beachy, but it is a little bit creamy, a little bit fresh, and a woody backbone. That's exactly what I wanted. It suits me well. I think you did a great job.
What would you rate it out of 10?
10 out of 10. No other rating.
I win.
Good. Doubt. Questionable. But okay.
Okay, then I can take it if you don't want it.
Oh, okay. Then I'll take this.
That's fine. I love
All
my
right, guys.
osmanthus.
We're exchanging trade. I'm kidding. Anyways, this was a really great experience. We'll definitely be coming back in the fall to make our cool weather signature scents. So if you want to see that content, please hit the like, leave a comment, and we'll make sure to record it and let you guys see what we make for the cool weather.
And it's really fun because I don't know if there's other locations in the United States, but if you're in Pittsburgh, you should definitely go to one of these two places. It's just a fun experience to have with your friends or family, or even just as a date. So definitely check it out. And they both have like the candle making and the perfume bar.
Yeah. Yep, there's a great place to go
fun.
to. Make your own fragrances. I'll leave the link in the description for their website.
And it's not sponsored.
Yeah, we're not sponsored. We paid money for this.
We paid for this.
But it's just for your convenience, okay? Other than that, thank you so much for being a part of this experience. I hope you had fun.
I
had
it.
a lot of fun. And thank you for watching. Smile Sense is always at your service. We'll see you next time. Get out of here.